Super Easy Drawings.
Hello everyone, and welcome to the Super Easy Drawings channel.
Today we are going to draw and color wild animals.
Let's start drawing.
I start to draw a cute lion head first. I start with its eyes, its nose, and its mouth. Then I draw its head in the shape of a circle with his 2 ears. Finally, I draw his very hairy hair around his head. Next to him, I draw a cute elephant. I start with his eyes, his elephant nose, which is very long, with the shape of his head with his 2 big elephant ears. Impressive! I'm going to draw a giraffe next to it. I start with his eyes, then I draw his nose and mouth. I draw the shape of his head and his ears. Finally, I draw his circular giraffe patches on his face. How cute! In the next row, I draw a monkey first. I start with his cute eyes, then his nose, and a big smiling mouth. Then I draw the shape of his face and his head with his 2 cute monkey ears. Next to him, I draw a zebra. I start with his eyes, his nose, and his mouth. Then I draw his head with his 2 ears and his hair. Finally, I draw some black zebra stripes like this. Let's draw a cute hippopotamus. I start with his eyes and nose. Then I draw his smiling mouth with his teeth. I draw the shape of his head and finally his 2 ears.
Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring.
I colored the lion first. I used brown for its nose. Then I color its face and ears with this yellow marker. For the inner ears, I use a little pink. Finally, I color his hair with orange. I'm going to color the skin of our cute elephant with this gray marker. Then I use this pink color for the inner ears. For the skin of the giraffe, I'm going to use this shade of yellow marker. Then pink for the inner ears and for the noses. I color his giraffe patches with light brown. Finally, I use this cream marker here. I continue coloring with the same cream marker here for our cute monkey's face. Then I use this brown marker for his furry skin. And finally, a little pink for the inner ears. I also colored this part of our cute zebra with this cream marker. We leave alone the rest because zebras are white with black stripes. Finally, I color our cute hippopotamus with this light purple marker. Excellent!
If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.